Every week, we scour the internet to find the most amazing, creative, and jaw-dropping content developed in Unity. This is Game Dev HQ, and enjoy the best of Made with Unity. Leading off, Tim added a spawn random obstacle course button for character controller testing. Jordy is almost done with all the abilities. A waterfall portal inspired by Rhyme Video by Nibali. Fully customizable procedural shader graph road shader by Roman. The Regenerator is a horrible enemy to face by Other Side. Joyce says Cat can finally swim, but he isn't happy in the water. Eric wants to know, don't you want to just squeeze him? Studio Engine has been working on implementing skills for Nanokin. I have to try this. My nail gun plus climbing by Marat. Hans is trying some graphical stuff for the acrobatic archery project. We told ya, lots of frogs. This is the Eternal Toad Temple by Psycutlery. Mind our jokes that when a game is so indie that the main hero has to arrive by public transport. Veronica is playing around with these new obstacles. Brett reveals nature spell number 1 of 7, the Tovine. Animation by Skull Commando Labs with concept art by Techie09. Another day in the enemy's hidden facility, taking out evildoers before breakfast by Awesome Games Studio. AR Glass Portal Test by Michael. This never gets old by Vulcanoids. Renault just finished version 6.0 of the Corgi engine. It is packed with new features and feedbacks. Studio Tatsu is finishing up vehicle handling and balance. Everything is fully physics-based, not faked or pre-animated. Tech demo coming soon. Coffin Rot Brewing Company reminds you that you could press Ctrl-Shift-F to align selected objects in your scene. Harry loves these simple, height texture-based vertex displacements for water aesthetics. Captain's Hold game shares some amazing gameplay reminiscent of Bionic Commando, minus that whole your arm is your wife subplot. Finally, use hazards to your advantage by Polyblock Studio. This was the best of Made with Unity. Be sure to hashtag Made with Unity, and we will do our best to share your creation with the entire game dev world. We are Game Dev HQ, and we are out of here. See you next week.